shake, 'cause I'm not staying in this world. Maybe that's it. I know the times that I've been, and I know how hard I've been. I know by every pitch Jesus is gonna hit.
I don't know where Brother Todd went, but I wanted to say this to him. There's a lot of things us fat people can do. We can eat really well. We can snore real good when we're asleep. But if there's one thing fat people cannot and should not do, it's this. Oh,